Hello students, these are the next three exercises from chapter number 34 Advanced Physics Geography section 7 और section 7 की डिटेल वीडियो का लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिया है, आप वहाँ से पहले उसे प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, उसके बाद एक्सरसाइजेस की डिक्टेशन लेंगे. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद एक्सरसाइज नंबर 178 on the speed of 60 words per minute. Be ready? Start. At the present time, great attention is paid to the exploration of the north and south poles of the earth by explorers of all nations. Some of the names made famous in connection with polar exploration are Nansen, a Norwegian doctor who sailed in the Fram and succeeded in getting very near to the North Pole. Lieutenant Peary, a daring American who was the first to reach the North Pole. Amundsen, who accompanied Nansen in the Fram and who was the first to discover the South Pole, and Scott, who unfortunately lost his life while returning after having reached the South Pole. Among them, they have added much to geographical knowledge, and in a great measure, investigators at the present day know as much about these in point of fact as is likely to prove of scientific value. But sooner or later, sentiment rather than science will be gratified by the discovery and publication all over the world of every secret of these untrodden regions. Next is exercise number 179 on the speed of 60 words per minute. Be ready? Start. Ships of immense proportions are nowadays found in all parts of the world, and docks have to be made deeper and deeper in order to accommodate the huge vessels which are constructed to carry more and more and to travel faster and faster as time advances. Distance between us and foreign parts is becoming less and less, and north and south and east and west are being brought nearer and nearer, so that the desire long since expressed has almost been accomplished, and time and space have been practically annihilated by the progress of science and the ingenuity of man. Next is exercise number 180 on the speed of 60 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Owing to the peculiar circumstances of the case, such a course as you suggest is out of the question, and you will have to follow the procedure in accordance with precedent. Further, you must endeavor to secure Mr. and Mrs. Brown as witnesses, as their evidence is absolutely necessary. The fact of the matter is that you have failed to bear in mind the really essential features in connection with the case, and have chiefly borne in mind one or two quite subsidiary points. Side by side with this, you have unfortunately displayed a more or less vindictive spirit, which, in our opinion, can only be prejudicial to the success of your claim. So these are the next three exercises from chapter number 34 advanced physiography section number 7. आप लोगों को कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, कोई भी क्वेरी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू.